So I just got back from Schluter's Innovation Workshop Part 2. Here's a sneak peek of what it's like, what you'll learn, and if I think you should go. This is the side where we sit here and learn all the technical stuff. They actually give you some cool swag. We got some shirts, cool hat. After you learn a bunch of stuff in the classroom, you go over here and you get to put it into action and do it hands-on right here.
So this is just Schluter's way to show you how you can kind of use our product to build all different types of vanities, benches, tub surrounds.
All right, hey guys, what's up? We're the dream team over here.
Dream team, let's go.
What's up? This is the dream team. We're gonna show them how it's done. So we can start. We're putting the water Kerdi membrane.
We need some membrane. I don't see none.
Go get the membrane. So this membrane is so cool. Look how thin it is. It's thin, but it's super strong. You could put this on drywall. You could, if you put this on try to rip it. Honestly, look. Wait, show your guns and then try to rip it. Look at that. Look at, he's trying with everything he's got. Wow.
That won't rip.
Dang, that's crazy. It didn't do nothing. Oh my gosh, that's impressive. That's some strong stuff. So it's completely waterproof. Get the action shot.
Oh yeah.
We gotta cut this like we want to cut.
Oh yeah.
Get those air bubbles out like that. Oh. There we go. So this is the model that they made, the Schluter guys. Demo. It's basically waterproof wall. A bench, which I think that's super high for a bench, but it is a shelf, isn't it? They said it's a seat, bro, but I'm like, dude, that is, I want to see someone sit on that. Look how high that is to me, bro. Rob, they're calling that a shelf, bro.
Yeah, I know.
It's a little high.
My girlfriend's 6'4".
He says his girlfriend is 6'4", so that's the seat that she needs. What they're actually doing is Cannon's, he's keying in a thin set, he's gonna trowel it, and we're putting this down. This is actually the pre-sloped shower pan. So it already has a pitch on it, and it goes right on the wood floor. And then the tile will go right on top of this thing here. See the hat and the Crocs, that's like a fashion statement.
It really is,
not
bro.
Be denied.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, so this guy.
Look at that. Look at that.
So this right here.
Yes,
Don't need a hot mop it. Don't need to do none of that.
So yeah, the cool thing about this method is it's not just setting it up for tile, but it's waterproof. 100% waterproof. Lifetime guaranteed waterproofing. So that's pretty cool. So that's actually the bench, right?
Yeah, it's like the bench.
The bench. Wow, that's cool. We're gonna install this bench. They're saying there's no way that's gonna have the strength of a 2x4 wall.
I know, but when it's locked in and integrated with that thin set, it wicks in, it creates that mechanical bond, and then integrate with the tile, you're locked in. It's not going anywhere, trust me, it'll be tight.
Hey,
Wow. Look at that.
I feel like something bad is about to happen.
That is unbelievable.
See?
Look at that. Unbelievable, man. We just built this like a gingerbread house and it's ready for, wow. Think they're gonna,
One more piece. What's that?
think they're gonna build a Kerdi houses one day?
I've seen it. Yeah. Like small demo, not real home, but
Dude,
yeah.
I'm gonna build my house out of Kerdi.
Could you imagine some nice tiles, one or two pieces right here, large format? And then they said the tray, you can actually have a matching tile piece in the tray, so it's like invisible.
I thought you were gonna sit on the vanity. The vanity.
Oh yeah, this is pretty strong.
Okay, let's see, Ruben.
We got a panel over here.
Oh, there is. Come on. Ruben. Okay, if you think Ruben should sit on it, put yes in the comments.
I don't want to mess up the road yet.
You gotta sit on it.
We put plates and screws in that one.
You gotta sit on it, Ruben. Dude, we got so many yeses. Everyone's saying it's strong enough. They say it's 100%. Go ahead, all the way. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. You see?
Yeah, it's pretty strong. I can tell. 300 pounds.
It passed the test. Wow.
That's only one day. No time.
Wow.
Yeah.
So speak to the world. This is Tim Shockey.
Harder than you think, right?
Yeah. So what is that? People are saying there's no studs.
Yeah, there's not even fastened into solid backing. It's holding in one day. That's been in place for less than 24 hours. Not integrated with tile and more thin set. It's locked in.
So I think the secret is the all set.
All set's fantastic. That's
And the fabric, right?
when the all set gets integrated with the fleece fabric,
You want to hit that one?
that mechanical bond is very, very strong. And again, like I said, we're less than 24 hours here with that being integrated. So
There you go. We had almost.
we don't necessarily recommend doing what he just did.
Not approved by this group.
I asked the community, everyone voted. I said, look at all the yeses we got here. I said, how many think you should get on it? Look at it. Do it. Yes. Everyone's saying yes, bro. They wanted to see it. So. Go ahead, now drop it. Boom.
You can use this trowel in here.
What? They got a special trowel for everything.
Of course. Now, this goes on like so.
So this method here, you can actually put heat, underfloor heating in your shower. Here is a little mock-up. This is the D-tray right here, very thin, and you stick it on your floor, and then this cable right here is where the heat comes from. The heat comes out of that cable, and you can run it right through the shower, back and forth. And this little black cable is your sensor, and it goes up through the thermostat right there. So you can have a heated floor, not just for your shower, but knowing that it could go in your shower is a cool thing. I didn't know before. I've never done it in the shower before. So yeah, so that's cool. Then you have your thermostat up there on your wall, and you can program it to whatever temperature you want. You can program it with your phone. Everyone is getting hands-on experience. Gets to see how this thing works, not just learn about it in theory. This one is for you guys who haven't come yet. It's empty because it's waiting for you to come. But if you guys want to find out if they're going to have an event near you, go to schluterevents.com. schluterevents.com, and you could sign up for the events there. There's a part 1 and a part 2. So part 1 goes over the basics, but you have to go to part 1 to go to part 2. So this is actually part 2, learning a lot more detailed stuff of benches and underfloor heating, shower drains, stuff like that. But it's actually completely free. Not only is it free, but they'll actually pay your hotel for 2 nights and feed you, and they feed you really well. Even give you some drinks. So we got a couple drinks. Yeah, that's what we had yesterday, right, bud? Coronas and margaritas. But it's actually a cool event if you guys have never done it. It's pretty cool because it's free. The only catch is you do have to be in the tile trade, or at least a tile professional, contractor, sell it or something like that. As long as you're working in the tile industry, then yeah, you're good to go. You're good to go, good to come and check it out. A lot of cool things going. So what do you think about the training, man? You enjoying it?
Yeah, of course, great.
What do you like? What's the best part about it?
Learning new products and get hands-on.
Hands-on is very good. How about you, man? Is this a good, you glad you came or what?
Yeah, good info. Good job here.
Good info? Sweet. Take care. What's that?
Recommend it to everybody.
Take care of us too, don't they?
Absolutely.
They do. I'm so full. I'm still full from breakfast, man. We're about to eat lunch. I hope this recap helped you out. The Schluter workshops are always a good time, meeting great people and learning new stuff. There's a link in the description if you wanted to find the next Schluter training near you. Now check out these videos YouTube thinks you'll like.